In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can screen mirror your Windows 11 PC to iPhone. Screen mirroring from a PC to an iPhone is important for enhancing productivity and collaboration. It allows users to present content directly from their PC on their iPhone, making it convenient for meetings, presentations, and remote work. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. Connect your iPhone internet to your PC via personal hotspot. It's the easiest way, but you can also use your USB cable to connect both devices. When connected successfully, head to your desktop. Click on the Windows icon to head to Settings. On the Settings page, head to this option of System. You will then navigate onto the option of Remote Desktop. Make sure to turn on this option. Get back and head to the search bar just down below. Search for Command Prompt. Right here, don't skip any space, just type in ipconfig and then press on Enter. Get back to your phone and head to the App Store. Download this app called Microsoft Remote Desktop. On its homepage, tap on the plus icon and select Add PC to enter in your computer IPv4 address. It's just right here. Tap on Save. You will then just tap right here to enter your PC username and password to get connected. This enhances entertainment experiences by enabling the viewing of PC media content on a more portable and versatile device like the iPhone. That's how easy it is to mirror your PC to iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.